A weaver bird building a nest in my garden. The lesser masked weaver and southern masked weaver is a species of bird in the family Plosiidae. Plosiidae is a family of small passerine birds, many of which are called weavers, weaver birds, weaver finches, or bishops. These names come from the nests of intricately woven vegetation created by birds in this family. It builds its nests in large colonies, often alongside the village weaver and sometimes the red-billed buffalo weaver. This species is commonly parasitized by the Diederik cuckoo. There is a difference between the lesser masked weaver, Plosius intermedius, and the southern masked weaver, Plosius vellatus, and that is their eye color. The southern masked weaver has red eyes.
My garden resident weaver has a colony of 3 nests.
The Hadada Ibis are monogamous birds and solitary nesters, and the same breeding pairs tend to return to the same nest sites each year. Working females lay 1 to 5 eggs per clutch. These two have been very tactile since breeding season started, showing lots of and continuous affection towards one another. The Hadada Ibis is native to sub-Saharan Africa. It is named for its loud 3 to 4 note calls uttered in flight, especially in the mornings and evenings when they fly out or return to their roost trees. These two have been together for at least 5 years. 2 years they made a nest in the Australian brush cherry tree. Then for 2 years in the waterberry tree, which was chopped down in the neighbor's yard. And luckily for me, they moved into the Brazilian pepper tree. What is special about the ibises? Their nesting territories. Ibises exemplify a harmonious coexistence, readily sharing nesting areas with other species. In this case, sharing the Brazilian pepper tree with a lesser masked weaver. Lots of necking going on. They breed mainly from October to November. The nest is a platform of twigs placed in a major branch of a large tree, typically in a fork. Both parents take part in incubating the clutch of 3 to 4 eggs. Incubation takes about 26 days. The parents feed the young by regurgitating food. Many young birds die by falling off the nest. The survivors fledge in about 33 days. Pupa africana, the African hoopoe. Scientific name Pupidae. Their distinctive crown of feathers can be raised or lowered at will, and this is what it sounds like.
Wagtail baby number 2 is out. Little fledgling. And somewhere here, they are building nest number 3.
just fledged. When it's cold or cooler than the injured feet must pain because it bothers them. Baby, little baby. Nest number 3.